Wood filler is not a reliable fix for loose drywall anchors and will usually fail under load. Drywall is a gypsum board with a paper facing, and it relies on specific repair materials to regain holding strength. Wood filler is formulated to bond to wood fibers and shrink or fracture differently than gypsum, so it will not distribute anchor loads across the surrounding board the way a proper drywall repair does. For a quick, strong repair, replace the anchor with a drywall anchor sized for the load and use a repair method that restores the board integrity. For holes larger than 1 inch, cut back to sound drywall, install a backing patch, or use a ready-made repair disc that spans beyond the hole and apply a drywall joint compound over the disc smooth to feather the edges. For light repairs, where appearance matters more than load, consider a lightweight setting type compound for minimal shrinkage, while for load-bearing needs, use a repair disc with setting type compound and allow full cure before reinstalling the anchor. Always let setting type compound harden to the manufacturer recommended time and test the anchor by gradually applying the intended load rather than starting at full weight. Common mistakes are relying on wood filler and assuming bonding performance will match wood because it visually fills the hole. Use a gypsum-compatible repair product instead. Another frequent issue is using regular paintable spackle or lightweight finishing compound for load-bearing anchors. Those materials are for surface finish only and will shear under load, so switch to setting type compound or an anchor designed for hollow walls. People often fail to provide a backing or patch that spreads load over more area. When the hole exceeds a 1/2 inch, use a patch disc, a screw-in backing, or cut in a small square patch of drywall and screw it to backing to restore full strength. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides community discussion where people share real-world repair experiences with drywall alternatives. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to showcase projects and participate in our discussion community so homeowners and pros can learn from each other.